Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Joyce, and for a returning subscriber, karibu sana, and thank you so much for tuning in. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you what I'm going to make. So my nieces are around, and I want to make something very sweet for them. And I know you can't hear them because they are not here, so it is a surprise. I'm going to cook them those things. I'll be showing you what. Because they have gone to purchase something, and when they return, I just want to give them and see whether they are going to enjoy it. We all know it is Christmas season, so we are cooking sweet things. We are cooking sweet things. So I'm going to spoil them with sweet things this Christmas season. So let's start making whatever it is that we're making. Let me show you the ingredients, and then we are going to make it together. So guys, over here I have green bananas. You might see as if they are ripe. No, they are not ripe. And then I have margarine or blue band. I have bicarbonate of soda. I have popcorn maize. I have sugar. When you say sweet things, we know sugar is involved. And then we have salt to taste. This is salt. It is not mixed fruit jam, it is salt. And then we have turmeric. And then we have cooking oil. And then over here I have my water. As I'm cooking, I'm having cold water. It is there. So we are going to make sweetened banana chips and caramel popcorn. So that is why I have popcorn maize. I have this. So as we are cooking, I'm going to show you what I'm going to put where, because I'm not going to put bicarbonate of soda in this banana. So I'll be showing you what to put where. So let's start making our sweet things. So first things first, we are going to chop. Is it chopping or yeah, peeling and chopping our banana. So guys, I'm done peeling the banana, and this is how they look like. The only thing we're going to do is to cut the banana into half, and then we are going to cut them like this because they are chips. So that is why we are cutting them like that. So on to the next step. I have a bowl here with me. I'm going to add in turmeric, this amount, and then I'm going to add salt to taste, not too much, this amount. I think you can add a little bit. And then we are going to add in sugar, not too much as well, this amount, and then you add in water. After adding water, we are going to mix until salt and water dissolve, salt and sugar salt and sugar dissolve. So we are going to mix. So this is what we are using for our banana chips. This is what is going to add in the taste, the sugary taste. So for me, I'm going to dip them in here. And then in our pan, we are going to light the gas and then add cooking oil. So our oil is hot and I have prepared where to put, oh my god, where to put them. So it is just a bowl and I have put on serviette to absorb the oil. So we are going to add in our chips, our banana chips. Be very careful because it is water-like. So when you are putting in the oil, be very careful. We are going to dip the last batch here. Oh my god. We have a full banana. So guys, our first batch is ready. They look so nice. So we'll be putting them here. And then to our next batch. So I told you, be very careful when you're doing this. taste. Oh my goodness. This is so good, so good. It is so tasty, so crispy. Am I really going to wait for my mistakes? Pray for me, guys. So you can make this for your kids this season, and for your loved one as well. They are going to enjoy it. Oh my goodness, this one, hey, this is a very good snack. So yummy, so sweet. So guys, we are on to the next thing that we are cooking, and that is popcorn. So I have cooking oil here. I add in salt to taste. Not too much. And then we stir. Add in our popcorn maize. Stir very well. And then we cover as we wait for them to pop. So our popcorns have started to pop. Have they started really? They are continuing to pop. There they are. So we wait for them to pop until they finish, and then we move to the next step, making them sweet. Yeah. So after you're done popping them, put them aside, and on the same sufuria add in your sugar. You keep stirring for it to melt, but it's going to melt so fast because the sufuria is hot. Make sure it doesn't get burnt, because when it gets burnt, the popcorns are going to be so, is it bitter or sour? Yeah, that one. I hope you can see this. The sugar has melted very well. The next step is to add in margarine. baking soda. Don't add too much. Bicarbonate of soda, that is. And then mix it very well. And then we are going to add in our popcorns as we start. And we add all of them. And then I keep stirring. Oh my goodness, they're pouring. So guys, this is the final outcome of everything that we have made. These are caramel popcorns. They are very sweet and yummy. And then we have our chips, and they are so good. As I told you, continue praying for me so that I can wait for my nieces and not finish this for them. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section down below and tell me what you're going to cook for your nieces or your nephews or for your loved one. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until my next one, it is bye bye.